Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now, when I come back with another video, hey man, say man, look, you know what I'm saying? Dreadhead Mal in the building, Watermelon in the building, No Edit Mal in the building. No Edit Mal in the building. Alright, so bet man, today I'm gonna be telling y'all about, I'm gonna be really teaching y'all how to make y'all hair grow faster. I know a lot of y'all out there, first off, wanna rush the process of having dreads and stuff like that. I'm about to speed it up for y'all. I'm not about to this is not about to be like, you gonna notice it. You feel me? Like you gonna be able to notice it. I'm gonna tell y'all the reason why y'all hair probably not growing. And I'm gonna also give y'all like the facts, you know what I'm saying? So one of the facts I came up with is first off your genes, you know what I'm saying? So a person really can't help they genes, right? But for me, bro, I'm a very hairy person, you know what I'm saying? So I grow a lot of hair on my face, I grow a lot of hair everywhere, you know what I'm saying? I'm a very hairy person. But at the same, so my hair really be growing like a lot. You understand what I'm saying? Like my hair grow at probably like a greater rate than somebody else's, right? Other people, right? And I just noticed that by looking at people and like by people like, you know what I'm saying? Like I think I was in middle school, like, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't one of those grown ass niggas like in middle school, like, oh damn, like you can tell this nigga grown. Like nah, I had a baby face still. I had a baby face all throughout high school. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, like, you know what I'm saying? I got arm hair. I got more arm hair than probably people like, you know what I'm saying? So I just know. All right, let me just leave it at that. So first off, your genes, right? Second of all, depending on how you take care of your hair, I know a lot of people out there who, dye their hair a lot, bleach their hair a lot. Me personally, I ain't never bleached my hair. I would say dye because nigga, when I was younger, I think I used to like use that, y'all know that little spray dye. I used to go to the fair, used to get that spray dye on my hair. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. So when I was younger, I used to get like a little spray dye in my hair, but you can really wash that spray dye out. You know what I'm saying? But I never bleached my hair, I never dyed my hair. I know a lot of people, they be bleaching their hair, and I know they be dyeing their hair, and they really strip your hair. You know what I'm saying? I can really tell, it be stripping their hair too. Cause you can just tell by the ends like it, like that. I done seen some bad experiences where people just kept the hair dye, the hair bleach or whatever, and their hair too long and their hair just start coming out. So you gotta be careful on like you dye your hair. That's number two. Number three is the type of products that you use, you know what I'm saying? So it really goes hand in hand with dye, you know what I'm saying? So if you See, I'm gonna keep this shit 100 with y'all. If you African American, bro, you can't use certain products. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you got dreads, bro. Because let me tell you something, bro. First off, when I was younger, I used the product, and I don't know what it'll do to my hair right now. And I'm not trying to find out what it'll do to my hair right now. But I used the shampoo, the Fruities or some shit like that. It was like a green bottle. A lot of y'all know what I'm talking about, but I ain't used the product in so long. But after I got done using that product, bro, I had so much dandruff in my hair, bro, just because of the simple fact it wasn't meant for me. You know what I'm saying? So be careful on what product you use. You understand what I'm saying? So just probably do your own research on what product you need to use. But I'm gonna tell you straight up what product. I don't use no product. You know what I'm saying? I don't use no product. First off. Second of all, any type of product that does go on my hair, I let the stylist at the salon really pick and choose. You know what I'm saying? I trust the stylist's opinion, and I trust the stylist. You know what I'm saying? I'm paying the stylist. That's what I'm paying the stylist to do. You know what I'm saying? So every time I upload a video, I always tell y'all, man, let them folks do their job. You know what I'm saying? So really, the only moisture my hair gets is from the mist off the shower. You know what I'm saying? I shower every night, so my hair really get moisturized every night. You know what I'm saying? So the mist from the shower, the steam from the shower comes to my hair, and it really moisturizes my hair. I used to actually, in the morning time, shower at night time, in the morning time, I used to wake up and I used to spray my hair, but I don't do that no more. I really don't like build up in my hair. Bro, I done told this story I think like 1,000 times, but I'm about to tell it again. Like my first year having my dread journey, bro, I really had a terrible build-up accident. You know what I'm saying? So I was just washing my hair, and I was first off I was using the wrong product that I didn't know about. A lot of people say they use this product, but y'all know that that jungle product. It's like it come in a little yellow bottle. Excuse me. Drink that water. You feel me? But I use it's like a jungle something like that. But it looked like it's meant for dreads, right? I don't know if I used too much of it, but bruh, I'm telling you, I got out the shower and stuff. I dried out my hair. My hair looked straight. You know what I'm saying? And then first off, I think I used the wrong product. Second of all, I didn't dry my hair out correctly. You know what I'm saying? So I dried out my hair, but I don't even think I dried it out I think I dried it out to the point where I could still feel the water or something like that. And then my third mistake was I let it air dry. You know what I'm saying? So I let it air dry and I slept on a towel, right? I woke up and mold was all in my hair, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. I had to go through that for like I don't know how long I had to go through that, but I'm pretty sure it was less than a week. Cause I had to get a wash and a retwist ASAP. You understand what I'm saying? That was not a good experience. So that is the main reason why I know sooner or later I'm gonna have to like start washing my own hair, start doing it. But until then, nigga, I'm thugging it out, bro. I'm letting the stylists do their job. I'm letting the stylists do what I paid them $120 to do every 4 to 5 months to do. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, my hair really don't touch a lot of product, you know what I'm saying? Unless the stylist put it in there. They might put the shampoo in there, then they might put their own type of little specialized cream in there. Some of their creams be itching like a bitch. I ain't gonna cap with y'all, bro. So y'all gotta go to certain people, like y'all gotta go to people who y'all trust, cause like sometimes, bro, you come out that salon, bro, you start to beat on your hair like them little females be doing, but I'm telling you, but so I think that's like my third thing. My fourth thing is a protective. This is one of the most important things is a protective hairstyle. Like, so what I call a protective hairstyle is like what I got in my hair right now. Alright, this is what I call a protective hairstyle. It's a 2-strand twist. You know what I'm saying? I could go to sleep in it, bit. You know what I'm saying? Like 2-strand twist. You got your braids. You know what I'm saying? Basically any type of hairstyle, like except for a retwist. You know what I'm saying? So you get your little retwist, but get a hairstyle to add to that. You know what I'm saying? I would recommend. I recommend. I get this every time. I get the 2-strand twist every time. You know what I'm saying? I go to sleep with my 2-strand twist in. I don't use no do-rag. I mean, for the first 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I use a do-rag. But after those 3 weeks, bro, I'll probably be thugging it out with no do-rag on when I go to sleep. I'll be thugging it out with no do-rag on when I go to sleep, because it's simple fact. I ain't gonna cap y'all, but having dreads and having a do-rag on, bro, it's just some stuff that don't mix, and that's one of them. You get what I'm saying? So that's just one of those. I think that's like my fourth reason. I'm at my fourth or fifth. But that's really all I got for y'all, man. Make sure I have those protective. Make sure you know what's going in your hair. That's like the first 3 things. What was that? The dye, the product, the product. Damn, y'all made me forget that fast. And I know the fourth one was protective hairstyle. I should have wrote this shit down. But yeah, all I'm basically trying to tell y'all is know what's going in your hair. You know what I'm saying? That's why I really don't use product like that, cause if you look on the back and you can't pronounce that shit, then that shit ain't meant for you. That shit ain't natural. You know what I'm saying? If you look on the back and you be like, okay, coconut butter, coconut oil, you know what I'm saying? Then if it's natural, then I'm gonna use it. You know, if it's natural, I gotta do some research on it. But you know what I'm saying? But that's how I'm gonna start judging things in the future. But until then, bro, until I start putting stuff in my own hair, bro, I'm gonna let them folks do their job. Like I always tell y'all, let them folks do their job. Hey, but yeah, those are my ways on how to improve your growth with your dreads, with your starter dreads. And yo, make sure that you using your do-rag to lay them dreads down. I might come out with a whole nother video on telling y'all like how to get your dreads to lay down, because in the next video that I'm about to do, a subscriber, he got his, like a subscriber that I met in person, got his hair like down, you know what I'm saying? And let me see. Protect it, style. Alright, I had to write that down before I forget it. That's another video. Y'all know I be making 3 videos a day for y'all. I'm probably gonna make, I'm gonna make 3. I'm gonna keep it with 3 so I can just, if I need to make another video, I'll just stack that on the next day. You get what I'm saying? But I appreciate y'all, and I thank y'all for everything that y'all done for me, bro. If y'all new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button on the video right now. Also, follow all my social medias right there. And also link in the description. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.